Hey guys, this is Eric with Low VA Rates. This is video number 3 of a 3-part series. So if you have not seen video 1 or 2, please check it out now. Listen, if you have to go into mortgage forbearance, we want you to know exactly how to do it. Make no mistake, though we have really cautioned you from doing it, and that's what video 2 is all about. If you need it, please take advantage. You're a citizen of the greatest country in the world. Likely you're a veteran, you deserve it, and if you need it, please do it. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1, and I'm gonna give you 5 steps today. The first step, contact your mortgage servicer. Now, this is almost certainly not low VA rates, and it's very few times is it the person who did your last loan. That's an originator or a loan officer. The servicer is the company that you're making payments to every single month. So pull out that statement or go log in online, look for the customer service number. That's who you need to contact first. And it's very important that you do not waste time. I want to prepare you for this forbearance request if that's what you're gonna make. Okay, so step number 2, once you're on the phone with your servicer, you need to explain your situation to them. Have you lost your job completely? Has your job just been cut back so you still have some income coming in? It's just not quite enough. Now, for my veterans out there, understand you absolutely are entitled to forbearance under the CARES Act. We've talked about that in the first video. If you're not a veteran, there's a chance, depending on what type of loan you have, that you may not be eligible, at least under the new law. It's unlikely, but check with your lender. It has to be a federally insured or authorized loan, okay? So FHA, VA, USDA, and a conventional loan if it's backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Those are going to work. If you got some sort of seller financed loan or what we call a non-conforming or alternative loan, you might not be eligible. So you need to get on the phone, explain your situation to the servicer, what's happened, and make sure that your loan qualifies for mortgage forbearance. Number 3, when you're on the phone, you're gonna discuss the details of your forbearance plan. Like we said, if you can afford to make partial payments, make sure you make that known. Don't just jump right into a full-blown, forbearance of your entire payment. Is the entire lump sum of whatever you get behind on gonna be due all at once in one lump sum? Or are they gonna let you chunk that down over a period of time? It's important in step 3 that you really document the details. Get out your pen, get out a piece of paper, and document every single detail of this forbearance plan that you plan on getting into. Step number 4, you're gonna wanna come to an agreement, and trust me, you're gonna wanna get it in writing. So in step 3, you just kind of outlined everything and you talked with the customer service rep over at your servicer. Now you need to reiterate what you wrote down in your notes and make sure they put that in writing so that you know exactly how much are you going to pay while in forbearance. Anything at all or partial? When will it be done? When will your forbearance program be done? Are you gonna just need 3 months or 6 months? What happens if you get your job back inside of the first 6 months? What are you going to do? You're gonna wanna put all of that in writing and have it well thought out, written down plan. Now the 5th step, number 5. A few months have gone by, you're now into your forbearance. Make sure you're pulling out that written agreement that you got and you're looking at your statement every single month. Look at the statement. Are they charging you fees that they're not supposed to? Monitor your credit report. There's all sorts of free opportunities out there online to monitor changes in your credit score. This should not hurt your credit score. If it is, something's wrong and you need to get on top of that right away, or when your forbearance period is up, you're gonna have a much larger mess on your hand than you deserve. Okay? So those are the 5 steps. If you need to go back and watch the video again, please do. In summary, here we are at the end of video 3. Hang in there. As they've been saying all over the news, we'll get through this together. We hope all of you are safe. We hope you all get back to work as quickly as you can. And guess what? If you are still employed, if you're working from home, don't abuse this opportunity. Don't take advantage of this. This is a bailout for people that need it. And if you do not need it, don't use it. You'll be grateful that you watched this video. We will get back to normal soon. This is the greatest country anywhere in the world. We're gonna get through this.